So I don't know what happened last night. I drank some beer and my tools ended up on the wall. Looks good. I like to burn a couple shovel loads of sawdust in there on a day like today. It's going to be slow and smolder anyway, so throw those in there and get that stuff used up, make a little heat out of it. Nothing wrong with that. Now look what we got here. Calf number 6. You picked a good day there, buddy. I don't know if I can look, see what he is here. Good deal. Nice little healthy heifer. I'm good with that. Nice size calf too. It's a good day for it. 55, a little wind. Dry that baby off. Sun is shining. It's a good day on the farm, folks. What do you guys say we start dismantling this baler and see what we can get out of it, shall we? First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get these belts out of here. And we're not saving these belts because they're weathered beyond the point of use anyway. Most of them are split, torn, whatever. So we'll go ahead and just cut these things. Now most of this belting is probably going to get used for something else. It's just not going to get used as baler belting because it doesn't have the strength left in it. You can see where they're starting to fray out like this, and you can just peel them apart like that. That belt's not going to last very long. But there are other things I can use it for. Some of these have multiple splice points in them too. And that's always another weak point. We're going to go ahead and get the rest of these out of here, particularly the wide ones we'll be able to use in other places as well. So we'll get the rest of these out of here, go from there. All right, so if we get in here, and if you look right there, that roller is busted in half. That is the third time it's busted in half. Bob and I replaced it once. I welded it once. This thing's either been tipped over or something at some point. I believe it was before Bob and Wendy got it. You can see that these rollers here are not square. and it makes a tapered bale. By the time you get to 4x5, one side's like 4.5 and the other side's about 5. So she's junk, but we got a lot of parts we can use out of it. So my the first parts that I'm going to take out of this thing are belt guides, whatever you want to call them, right there. We'll go ahead and jerk those things out of here. That's going to be my first project. All right, those are the pieces I need out of that baler for the first project that I'm going to build. I need a couple other miscellaneous pieces, but that's going to be the primary structure of it. So, we'll leave you guys guessing. It's a good time in the afternoon to go check on my cows and drink a beer.